strecken Namen eines Helden, kämpfst durch jede Dimension.
Hello and welcome, wonderful humans, to Sword and Quill Wednesday edition. I think that's what it is. It is a Wednesday. I do know how weekdays work. And let's get that camera angle. You don't need to see all the cables. Maybe you see a little bit of my nice plant. Yeah. So, welcome. What are we gonna work on today? I don't know. As I said last time, I am not a plant person. I just do things randomly, semi-randomly. Sometimes I have ideas. But my idea was to, last time on Monday we added the 6, so currently I have a D4 and a D6 in the game, and you can upgrade the die. And now I want to add a D4, so we have a set of 2 updatables. I always go down there. It's not a valid file. Okay, you do not like. That's fine. Now we can do it like this. Now we add. So I am getting my dice. Currently I buy them just $5 from gamedeveloperstudio.com, which is kind of nice. I have never heard from that before I bought these dice. Apparently that's one person making these assets, and they're nice assets. One for first, and second is they made their own little like browser Photoshop, micro Photoshop, specifically for these assets. So if you have no graphical skill or you don't know how to use image editing software, these are really handy because it comes with like color sliders. If you like, oh, I like this dye, but I need it in this special shade of blue or something, you can do that yourself in here with the purchased GDS Plus files, which is kind of nice. So I try all frames. I think that's what we want. Yes. See, now I have the dice here, and I can mark them all, and then here you see different categories for the colors. And that's where I can edit them. I hate that this is like obscuring the view every time. Sorry for the rustling. Up. Better. Okay, so what we do not want is saturation. Yes. I want it to be closer to. Is this a whole die? No. Just to be closer to white, but not. Re-establish colors. Oh, okay. It's different than before. Effect fill, effect stroke. No, I don't want to. Oh, this is new. This is like combined. Okay. Affect the stroke. Okay, and then the numbers. Numbers to be dark, non-principal numbers also dark but less dark. And numbers on these sides. Let's make them really dark so you can read them well no matter what color. Huh? No matter what color we give them. And then the spinning effect also needs There we go. And I think that's it. And now we can export those separately, but oops. I want them to be... I just hope the size... Grid settings. There we can go and look at our project and check what our D6 or our dice size is. So for 256, yes, but I made the D6 larger last time because it was. We can try it first, just like as is, and see if the size works. Ta-da! Download. Extract all. And now we have, oops, now we have landed. Okay, let's check on photo P. Where is it? Where is it? There. Let's get this one from the file browser. And put the D6 on here. And then we load the D8 on here and see. Yeah, okay. That's the problem. It's a bit small. Nope, that's not what we want. Where is the D8? Here's our D8. So yeah, beside each other, because technically they have the same size from like the image, but as you can see beside each other, like there's perceived size, right? I mean, that's not perceived size, it is perceived size. Like it's just as high, but it appears smaller because it like takes less space. So what we're gonna wanna do is make this a little larger. Let's say 280, 280 maybe. Let's see if that is enough. Was that enough to make the grid larger? Well, guess we gonna find out now. Okay. Oh wait. I had to let the dragon escape.
You wanted to get out of the bedroom.
Sometimes you will hear a little scratch, like a gentle, shy scratch at the bedroom door, which means he wants to go out and be with someone else. Because I talk and that's exciting. Some things are happening outside. All right. Let's see now if this... Where is our photo P? This is a larger one already. Oh. I think we need to open this one. Nope, it's not larger. Did the size change at all? No. Is the wrong? Okay. Why did this not change? How do I make you larger? Grid settings. What if I make this to 512? Or do I have to make this before I open this? Can I see somewhere the size here? Yep. Well, I guess I'll leave it for now. I can fix that off stream because that's boring. It is boring. Okay, now I'm gonna name them in the way we named the other things. 8, 2, D8, 3. Isn't that exciting? That's why I like to stream these things, because I can just, I mean, talk nonsense while I put silly little numbers on silly little images. No, they're not silly. Someone made them for me, or for everyone. Okay, how did I name the animation? D or animation 00. Okay, so we do that the same. D8 animation. Copy. Nope. Copy that. Nope. Let's also copy the zeros. 1, 2, and more numbers. So, how's your day been? Or has it just started? Because time zones are a funny thing. You might be in the middle of the night, not being able to sleep, and hearing me ramble on about dice, which is also fine. Here, the day just started, and it's freaking cold. It's 3 degrees Celsius. So it might snow today. Oh my friends, it might snow. Isn't that exciting? Dragon, my dog, like, about snow. He's about a lot of things. Don't like water. We're usually indifferent to snow. I have one photo of him rolling in the snow where he was excited about the snow. That was once in the 6 years we have him. So I would not call him a snow lover. Then it's a very low ratio. All right, import the die, and then and open the die, and we want to add another animation, which is the D6 that we duplicate, because this is just a sprite animation with a little bit of extra movement, and we are just gonna replace the images. So luckily all these animations have the same, wait, no, that's not the animation, same amount of frames, which makes it easy to make them unified, which I like. That speaks for the person who makes them, knows about animation. Nope. Which one was that? Nope, where did it go? Excuse? Oh, there it is. And I got confused, so I guess we now have to do it from the beginning. Ah yes, scatterbraid me. Scatterbraid. Scatterbread. What's he even talking about? Nobody knows. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Does this have one less than the others? Did all my praise go for nothing? Wait. No. Oh, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then we just end with the first again. Nobody will notice, right? Nice. Okay. Or maybe with the second one that shows more face. Yes, this looks more like it's about to show the face. Because here we now call a function that checks what was rolled actually, like from the code, and then changes the image to the corresponding face. So now, so that seemed to work. We don't need that. So now we want another dictionary, var d8 images. So dictionary, we load 1, preload. No, not preload. Oh. We did preload all of them, didn't we? Okay. Preload d8 1. Huh? Ah. Comma. And then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. No comma here. And now we just number them. So those are dictionary entries. Dictionaries are just set of keys, and then the information attached to them, and you can sort of decide what you want to attach to them. So I could name these entries anything I want. I numbered them. So first entry is entry with the key 1, and then the image. So now I can just ask the dictionary, hey, give me the image of side 6, and I ask the dictionary for 6, and I get the image for 6. That's very handy. And now anywhere we have this, we go to D8 images and show the number 8 face, and here return 8. Perfect. And then we have a zip of wonderful fresh coffee. And here, animation name, roll D8. Correct. And here. D8 images, energy, data, amount. Good. Right. So yeah, I made my own enumerator here. So I can just ask for, what type are you, Dry? What are you? Tell me. And it will tell me, hey, I'm a D4, I'm a D6, or I'm a D8. I don't know if we will have a D10. I initially planned that, but that might be too much. First, I want people to get there, that they updated to D8, and then we'll see. So we added another die. Somewhere I have a function where I say max die, there, max die value, which is 8 now. Correct. And now, so when you defeat a boss, you can choose if you get another D4 or if you upgrade. What if you die? But if you are already at the maximum of your die, we don't want this to be an option, because you can't go back once you pick the upgrade, I think, and then it will show you 2 buttons that you can click, so that is not nice. So we go to upgrade. No, we go to... Oh no, it is dice upgrade screen, I believe. Yes. So I have those 2 buttons. One is card gain, one is card upgrade. And we go to card upgrade. I also want to add that image. There is an image that is... Oh wait, the panel is not set on the right filter. If you see your panel is blurry like this, you need to change the filter from inherit to nearest, and then it'll become crisp. But also be careful that everything that is a child that has filter inherit in it, it will also go to nearest, so you might not want that. So the text can become crisp too, or too crisp. So I will put them back on linear. And yeah, linear. So what we want is to add a texture rect, and how do I call this? It was a line unavailable overlay. There it is. Ah, beautiful. And what color do we want it to be? I probably just gray, right? Or black? Is black too much? Black is too much. It's fine. And then we call this unavailable texture. Yeah. Unavailable texture. And this...
Choose your fighter.
Choose your fighter. Then we will enable this with another label, so people know why it's enabled. So unavailable hint label. So it will say something like all dice at max or something. Yeah, I can change this later. Oh, actually I need to put this into our text sheet. Soulblaze text. There, Soulblaze text. It's my localization sheet, so I start these early, because then it's less hassle. Where'd it go? All right. So this is a header or a message. Let's mark special one for label. No, let's call it header. It's more of a header. Header. All dice max. And then I will say all dice at max. Boop, boop, boop. So easy. I love how easy localization is in Godot, because now I just throw it in here. And once I exported that sheet, it will find it immediately. All right. We want this to be center, and larger. Take the style. There's the, nope, that's not, where's the theme? I never find the theme. Excuse me. There you are. Header, nope. header large. Oh my god. I want you to oh, it will not wrap around because it will not wrap around because it has no spaces, so that's fine. It will, but it's hard to read, right? Hard to read like that. Okay, so let's create a node, a child node, control. Disable the mouse stopping. Although, no, we'll do it manually. Unavailable. Unavailable. Info container. Okay. Then we throw those in. Make this stretch and maybe add another color rect. Color rect. Just wanted a little bit of info, and now we're making this all pretty and stuff. Black and like this, and we put it to the bottom. Okay, let's shorten this so it's easier to see how it will be. Let's say label. Label and just dice maxed. Okay. Boop. Why is it still big? Maybe shorter. Oh, I guess it's still large. Okay, fine. We make it header medium. It's still large. This is the correct size. This has the correct size. This does not have the correct size. There. Strange. There we go. Okay. So we make this unique. We make this unique. And then we add export var unavailable info container, which is control, and export var unavailable hint label, which is a label. And then we want a function set inactive with hint text. String is optional, and if it is hint text no wait, can I think with my brain? If hint text is 0, then hint label text is just on wait, no, translate unavailable. Now we put this into terms here. Unavailable. There we go. Perfect. Otherwise, unavailable hint label text equals translate No, we translate it when we send it over. And unavailable info container show. Then we also want a function set active, because then we make unavailable container hide and select button disabled equals false. Wonderful, wonderful. It is easy, isn't it? And now in the upgrade screen, so yeah, sorry, it's going to be now a bit of coding that might be boring to some, but can just tell you things, exciting things while I do this, like my wife succeeded on her language test yesterday. We were both very stressed about that for months, because that's how she can permanently stay in Germany, which would be nice. But the test is hard, and you can't really train for their practices, but it's always a bit different, so it's difficult to train. But yeah, she succeeded yesterday. That was very, very nice, and we're both relieved. Oh my god. Well, it turns out I can't talk and code at the same time. Darn it. But now you know. Now you know why I'm a bit better mode, but I still have to fight people for money, and that's annoying. I have to do this is the third instance of the third person. I have to try to get my money back since July, and it's exhausting. All right. Let's recap. What were we doing? We want to check we make a function that we call func check if upgradable dice exist. Is this how you write upgradable? I mean, upgradable is, I think, not a real word, but if it were, is it upgradable or upgradable? Not that it makes any difference. Upgradable or upgradable? Upgradable. Upgradable. Oh no, it's both. Upgradable. Upgradable. It's time user to discover device or system that can be improved. Upgradeable. Upgradeable. It's a term used to describe this device system that has the capacity to be upgraded or improved to a newer version. Okay. Alright, when in doubt in coding, take the shorter one, right? I don't know, I'm not a real coder, I'm just pretending. Check if upgradable device exists, which returns a bool. And it will return false if the previous doesn't return true. So we write a function that we can ask, hey, does the player have any dice that can still be upgraded? That means that it will check for dice that are not D8. So for we go through all dice that we have for die, which is die base in game manager dice bag equip dice, correct? And then we say if die type is smaller because the type is an enumerator. So if the die type is smaller than, is it in die base? Nope, it's in die. Die D. Did you use the word Pokemon? Which is trademarked phrase in stream. This Twitch message illegally binding cease and desist. Yeah, sure. If you wanna troll like this, at least make sure that you spell Pokemon correctly with the apostrophe. Because even if a lawyer from Nintendo would go into a Twitch chat to write me, then I think they would spell Pokemon correctly. But thanks for worrying about me. I appreciate it. If die type the size. But I do like the little bit about the Goombas stomping me to death. I doubt Nintendo lawyers have that kind of humor. Also, you are allowed to use the word Pokemon on Nietzsche. Another representative from Nintendo. Hello, and thank you. I'm glad you like my stuff. And I hope it's not too boring when it gets too codey, but sometimes I have to do that. I try to time my streams around things where I don't have to code too much. But I promise once this section is done, we can play a little bit and then I can show you. Maybe we defeat the first boss, then I can actually show you the upgrade. Okay, so how does Pokemon style roguelite work? So I was thinking that Pokemon had a lot of like elements that like are predestined for a roguelike, like luck and what you get and which techniques you find. So basically it took this and made a roguelite out of it. So you start with, currently you only have one. I mean, I can, let's put this on pause. I will just show you. I will just show you. So you start your run. I hope we don't get any bugs because I'm still working on things. This one is for debugging. So initially you start just with one. His Calbu, this is the typeless dog. So in Pokemon that would be normal type. And then you have a so the music, master volume, and yeah, a Slay the Spire type map where you pick a path, and at the end you get a boss. And once you defeat the boss, you get to the next area, and then you have to choose if you go. So the first node is always wild battles, and wild battles means you can capture the creature. I call them animons here, animated monsters. Because all Soulblaze is soul themed, you know, and anima means soul. So anyway, getting too deep already. You pick wild ones where you can capture animons, or you go to trainers, which give you more experience and loot. And the difference to Pokemon is we want loot, right? Do we want to go loot? Here we can upgrade our animons. Here we can upgrade techniques. This is a bit hard to trainers. So I would, oh my god, it's difficult. Maybe this one. So, you know, the difference to Pokemon is that you roll dice. So you have your techniques here, snap, pout, and jump attack, and these are the cost. So instead of are they called AP in English? They are called AP in German, so I don't know. Instead of those points, and at some point you just can't use your techniques anymore, here you have to roll your dice. And that's what I'm currently working on. You start with 2 4-sided dice, and you can upgrade them to higher dice. So the next one is d6 and then d8. That's what I just tried to implement. And then, yeah, you drag those. Why are you start? Oh, jump attack, bam! And then, just like in Pokemon, you can capture them. Do we want to try to capture it already? I still have to change a few things so it's a bit more distinct to Pokemon. Seeing that they sue Palworld over the fact that they patented throwing a ball in a 3D environment on a target or something generic like that. I'm not gonna take any risks, so I'm gonna change the... Oh no, I killed it! I wanted to capture it. Oh man. Anyway, so now I can take a flash drive, which can teach you a technique. So a lot of things you know from Pokemon, but the difference here is also you can upgrade techniques by duplicates. So Calbu can already do Snap, so I will get Snap again, because that means, ooh, I can do it here in the kiosk. So I pick the kiosk. Here could heal them. Oh, this is still a bug. I have to write that down. So I hope this works now that I show everyone. So I pick Calbu. Here we see a little icon. That means I can upgrade Snap. So now we can choose. Do we want to reduce the cost? Do we want to increase the damage? Or do we transfer a tag? So tags are specific rules for paying. So precise, for example, means if I pay the Snap costs 2. If I pay it exactly with the dice that has the value 2, it deals double damage. So I could also transfer tags from other, so I basically customize my abilities like that. But I think I want to just increase damage, and then I'm gonna use up the Snap that we just collected. Is it done? I haven't tested the screen too much, so we'll find out here. Nope, it did not work. So let's write that down. So patch notes, bugs, damage upgrade not applying. So yeah, I started this project like a bit over 2 or 3 months ago, so it's still very early in like a lot of like raw things and bugs. Yeah, and you can reroll because, for example, for Snap I want to get the 2, but you also want to get a shield. So Pout gives you shields. I see them up here. So we take less damage, hopefully, because this one is a rare one. It's strong, the Narilla. But that's also why I want... Oh no. Critical hit. How dare you. Oh fuck. Yes. It's a roguelite. I died. Okay. Shall we try again? Let's try again. Okay, here's my demonstration. It's hard. I haven't implemented the persistent upgrades yet, so... Oh, this does not reset. I also have to write that down. Run currency does not reset after game over. So I already implemented the currency. So you collect marbles that you will then be able to spend on persistent upgrades. So it's intended to be quite hard, but you can improve it by, like, for example, increase the starting level, your damage, all these things, or more starting techniques. Okay. No, we want to reroll this. Okay, let's YOLO this. It worked so well the last time, right? Oh boy. Okay, so I paid this with 2, which means this triggers the precise. At least double damage, which is not a lot for someone who has 3 shields. Shall we try to capture it? It's 50-50 now. No, I forgot what. Also, most of the sounds are made with my mouth until I can afford proper sounds. Oh look, we got another snap. And now, also another thing now that distinguishes this from Pokemon is certain types. So types have specific dice. If I use, so I just called Hello Zoom party, so called Hello Zoom. I haven't checked the detailed screen in a while. It looks yeah, it looks bad. So Hello Zoom's grass. Currently doesn't have a grass type attack, but once it has a grass type attack and I put a dice on it that is not a green die, then it gives me less cost reduction. Okay, let's just try it. But first I need to have a planned attack, which I do not. Another one. I mean, we can try the tag transfer. I've never tried this actually in this game. Yes, I know how my game works. Okay. Do we want to go up, which has a treasure, a Animon upgrade, healing twice in a row? I mean, we will get some stuff here, but we will also not gain experience points, which might not be nice. So let's try this one. Oh look, it's fire. Now we have a green dice. So currently this doesn't make a difference because we only have colorless types which take any dice. They don't care about what color the die is. But if I had a green technique now, that would be different. But we don't, so. Jump. Ooh. Critical hit. Capture, right? We want the SN Amber, which is a name that I still desperately want to change, but I don't have a better one yet. Oh look, and Kindle. How nice. This is a fire technique that we can teach SN Amber. Learned in Kindle. Okay, now we have 35 caps. We could try the shop. So first we go here because we have a nice choice there. Ooh, a water one. This is one of my favorites right now. Divdagua. Oh yeah, and if you roll a double, then you get a reroll back and your damage is increased. And yeah, if anyone is interested, the game is currently free on itch.io. If you want to try it, let me get you the link. Itch. There. Because, yeah, any feedback is always helpful. As said, it's very early stage. Lots of things are rough or buggy, but I'm working on it. So, we want a to shield, and we want to hit you in your face, so we can capture you. Friendly. All right. Did I ever have 4? I don't think I tested a run yet with a full group. Oh, or did I? Healing drops or vine web. Also, the text is sometimes so weird it's hard to read. Maybe I have to check out what that issue is. It might be the wrong filter. So do we want a technique for our little snail, or do we want a technique for a frog? Healing drops is quite good because it heals. You can also get the magical water that heals the user for 25% of their max HP. I've done those like 2 months ago, so sometimes I forget what my own abilities do. I'll go for healing drops. Inventory, healing drops, Diftagua. Okay. Now we have 48 money. I'm not sure if that's enough though. But I'm also not sure if we're ready for a trainer. I do have a lot of... It's actually quite difficult to choose. We could heal up, then battle the trainer, then heal again. Let's try that. Heal everyone. And then... Gotta fight a trainer. So trainers are either fire... Currently, we only have 2 trainers because it's pre-alpha. One is fire, one is water. Let's just gamble and pick Diftagua. And then we want to change it to a water dye and maybe a plant dye. No, actually both water dye because none of them have abilities. Let's see. Fingers crossed. It's fire. Perfect. So here, now you can see this is a water technique. And now if I put the 2 on it, every other technique the cost would go down by 2. So all of these would be paid, but since this is a color mismatch, it will only go down by 1. Element mismatch, see? So you do have to, when building your team, you kind of have to pay attention to. So if you have a fire, a water, a grass type, and a moon type creature, and you only have 2 dice, then 2 of those creatures will have techniques that you can only pay like slowly. So you do have to kind of pair which animals you capture with how many different colored dice you have. So see if I put this now, this will put it down on 3. And you also don't have to use the abilities, so I'll prep this now for later because it would be a waste for these. And this game also works, there are no real turns, it's all based on player action. So anytime you do something, the enemy gets a move. So if I make a move that is, unless it's sneaky, the enemy makes a random move as a retaliation. And if I start a new turn, they also get a free move. So what do we want to do here? We want to get our shield up first. And then should healing drops maybe be sneaky? Because healing and then getting attacked is a bit counterproductive, right? So let's write that down. If healing drops sneaky tag. Yeah, this is how you spell it, I'm sure. Oh no, I broke something. Oh no. No! Wait. Sometimes I can rectify this by going into the inventory. Yep, okay. Now I didn't pay attention. What? No, this looked like they waited for something that didn't happen. Anyway, nobody saw this, right? I thought, oh no. I broke something. Oh. No, animal name? Wait. Invalid property, animal name on base object. Target is null. Target is null. Where do we set the target? Target should be set right here. Huh. As said, early build, lots of bugs. Wait, but we should have set the... Oh, wait. No, I think we only set the target. I think we only set the target when it's a damage. User is player. Oh, right. Okay, we need to set the target here. Okay. Well, guess we have to fix that. But shouldn't this just be any time? All right. Target all. So that was debuff, right? Debuffs if technique is buff. So modified buff is. And then we check if target is null, then if the technique is done by player and if my just technique. Nope. Technique. Target. Buff target. Ah, that's why. Wait, do we not check here? Ah, no, we check buff target. We check for buff target. So where did the arrow come from again? Target anemone name was it? Here. Target is user. Target. Oh no, we set the target. Set it right here. Oh, because it's not a buff, it's a condition. There it is. We should set the target here. Target is. Oh, because condition target is what we not have to look for. Here it was. There we go. So condition target. So this is where we add the message box that is dynamic. And we tell it the creature name is the target, but here we play with a different variable, so we fixed that, correct? Technique condition kaboom, boop. No more targets. That should have fixed it. But now we lost our run, isn't that sad? Anemone buffs and debuffs you wait. Oh. Those are buffs on the... No. This is wrong. This is healing effects. Here we go. Heal enemies. And heal and target. Okay. That should work now. Okay. So everyone now gets a bit of a feeling for what a Pokemon style roguelite is. And we didn't make it to the boss, so whoops. But then we can continue now with what we were actually doing. We wanted to ask the upgrade screen. No, the upgrade screen wants to ask the die glowing if there are any upgradable die left. So it goes through all the dice that you have in your dice bag and it checks are you at the max? And the dice, the size is currently 1, 2, 3. Correct? And this is entry 0, 1, 2. So what we want to ask is, so this is 3. So we want to do it -1, correct? So if the die type, let's say the die is a d6, which means it has the enum value 1. So is 1 smaller than 3 minus 2, which is 2. So 1 is smaller than 2, which means yes, there is return true. And if it's not, if it's the same, so it is a d8. d8 is, so d4 is 0, d6 is 1, d8 is 2. So if 2 is not smaller than 3 minus 1 is 2, then we continue. Yeah? Continue means it just goes to the next loop iteration. And then if it goes through all the loops without having returned at least one true, it returns false. Correct? So now when we... Oops. So we say if, check if... no, let's rename this so it's better readable. Upgradable dice exist. Yeah? So if upgradable dice exist, then we initialize this card. Now I guess we initialize it anyway, so we want to show it the content that is there. But if not, we want to upgrade set on inactive, set inactive, and with the text of, what did we say? All dice at max. So we take the translation text from label all dice available at max, and we set it inactive. Correct. Correct. And otherwise we open the dice bag. So this starts off as hidden, and now we open the dice bag. Oh, I mean, I wanted to open the dice bag scene, and then we want to also open the slot. Good slot. Where's the slot? Slot. Because we want to add a label here. That is center, and it will say maxed out. I'll put this also here. Maxed out. And it will have a size that is large, like 52. Yes. Maxed out label. Its unique name. Then get it here. I'm inconsistent with the casting, but yeah, it's just that's how I am. Please just don't look at my inconsistent code. I'm sorry. Okay. Then what? Then we want an animation. We want another animation. Let's put this at the bottom. That says maxed. And the maxed animation will show this. Visible. And modulate. So we will just gray this out a little bit. There. And show maxed out. Perfect. Then Z is like this. So then we will have the same thing as before. We will check if it is open from the upgrade screen. Then we want the same. Oh wait. Slot button, texture, normal. E6 image. Or did I forget that? D4 image and ID8 slot button texture normal D8 image, which we don't have yet, so we have to add it. It's D8 image and reload D8. There we go. And then we want another function that asks, hey, are you at max? Do we want a function, or is it just asking? Yeah, just asking, man. So we say if my type is smaller than d size -1, then we do this. Otherwise, slot button disabled true and animation player play maxed. That should work. And now we try, and it will all be splendidly working on the first, but also damage upgrade did not apply. Why? Let's try it. Let's first check that fusion. Because it did play the animation and damage, load item list, all these things we don't need. On item use, on cost reduction, enhancement cost reduction, on damage boost. Here, add selected technique, add, no, wait, where is selected technique? But technique has, because we didn't add it to the bony. But we have a function here, no? Get buff amount? No. Is it? That's good. Guess not. Function add damage, add damage, permanent damage bonus, right? Add permanent damage bonus amount int, and then we go into bony. Don't have any. No, we have add tag. Is that all bony? This is what we want. Bony damage bonus. Plus amount. Then also we want funk. Or do we want an enumerator for this? No, don't think so. Remove permanent damage bonus amount. I mean, it's not permanent if you can remove it, but you know, as long as I know what I mean. And then we say equal clamp amount. This minus amount 0.999. So it cannot get below zero. Okay, so we go to where are we? Fusion. Where was it? And damage bonus. On damage boost here. Add permanent damage bonus 1. Select TP buff amount. Oh, and then we also need one for funk add permanent buff bonus. Oh, I guess we can just copy these and rename them. There's probably a smarter way to do this. But I don't have it. I don't have it yet, so. Damage bonus, buff bonus, buff bonus. So then we go. Wait. What's your same as? Oh. Remove buff bonus. Now we go back to fusion and we say add permanent buff bonus 1. And then on cost reduction, it's probably the freaking same. Where is cost reduction? Cost. Wait, no, wait. Oh no, those are enhancement cost reduction cost. We have those enhancement values. We have those values, so why? Cost reduction. So this is all bullshit. This is bullshit. It was correct, but it did not work for whatever reason. So we put this back to how it was before. Selected technique is no. Okay. The category is damage. We used it on Snap, and Snap is a damage technique. So let's just print increased damage of 2 placeholders, and then it is damage of selected technique name and selected technique damage buff enhancement. Oh wait, oh, because we didn't put it on enhancement damage boost. So where's this? Doesn't exist. What? Oh. Okay. So what did you set? If that is a different variable, that makes no sense. Enhancement cost reduction and on tag transfer. Okay. So technique. Where is boost? Yeah, that doesn't exist. So why did this not throw an arrow? Did it throw an arrow? I didn't see it. Oh well. Alright, where do we go? I think we want some treasures so we can actually try this. Oh yeah, double bonus. Oh no! Double bonus didn't give us a damage bonus. Why not? Should be 3 now. It isn't. Damn it. We did get the reroll bonus. Apply. Push. Bonus. Add push bonus. Did it apply the push bonus? Oops. Let's check. It did do Delhi. Enemy does not get a turn. Turn number 1. Select base. No, didn't, right? Oh, here. Push bonus applied too. Push bonus applied. So why? It does add the damage bonus. Get damage previews. So why does it not work? Print. Technique. Now has a damage bonus of and a base damage off. And we say my technique name, then my technique bony turn damage bonus and T my technique get base damage. So let's see, one bug after another. Why are things like that? I do not know. Sometimes we just don't know things. Yep. I got it. Okay. There's a lot of chests up there. Okay, let's see. Oh, look. Immediately a push. Double, I mean. Getting pushed. Technique T-Snap now has damage bonus of 1 and a base damage of 2. Okay. Get base damage. So there is a mistake, because the base damage is already 2, but it did apply the bonus. Are you done? Why are you done? You should just repeat.
It's not your fault.
Yeah, don't talk. I hate when people talk in songs, especially if it's just random. Yeah. Get base damage. Damage plus enhancement damage boost plus bony damage bony. Base damage is this plus this plus this plus this. Damage enhancement damage boost bonus damage and anemone bonus, and then we need to just put these in here and with a comma instead of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it does say it's a damage bonus of 1, but still returns a base damage of 2. Bony damage bone. Wait, am I putting the wrong one in? What did we ask for on the push bonus? Turn damage bonus. I see. And get damage previews. Wait. Turn damage bonus. Okay, that we're getting closer, friends. Get base damage, but there's also get damage. So here. Get base damage. But there is turn damage bonus. Getting, oh no, this happens a lot. I'm not sure. So get base damage. This returns 2 times affinity multiplier, which is fine. So plus bony turn Turn damage bonus. Turn damage bonus. Turn damage bonus. It's the correct one. So why? Does this get reset somewhere? Reset. Turn stats. Print resetting turn stats. And here resetting all bony. Okay, let's go to get damage and print that also. Print total damage is this. Base damage times this affinity multiplier plus turn damage bonus. Correct. Correct. And then we do this and we get those. Right, again, comma. What am I missing? Get base damage. Bracket. Oh, there's a oh, come on. There's a bracket we don't need. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's think. Why is the turn damage bonus? We did ask for it. It was 1. It was 1, but it somehow did not get added to the actual damage bonus. Look at us making features, and then instead of the features, we are making bug fixes. There we go. Aha! Why does it increase now? Oh, but this was a reroll. Our problem was that the new roll didn't apply it. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, okay, we can narrow it down. That's good. So when it happens on a reroll, then it gets applied correctly. If it happens on a new turn, I assume because the stat reset happens in between that. Oh god. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Yeah, this was not a good idea. But okay, where is it resetting? Oh god. Ah! This was a bad idea. Okay. No. Nope. This is just too much information, cause like every button calls this. So I assume, because I had a function that checked if I rolled a push last turn, because I think you roll and then it starts a new turn. Let's try again. God mode on. Ah, look, immediately. Perfect. Okay. Oh man, why is resetting turn stats called 6 times? Alright, yeah, there's the problem. Getting push data, we apply the bonus and then resetting turn stats. So resetting turn, reset turn stat. So we do this. It's called 6 times because it's 6 techniques. Okay, run end of round. Run end of round. Run end of round. Run end of round. Okay, so I guess that's what this is for. So add push bonus if last turn was rolled. Now let's see if it hopefully doesn't get added twice. Music. A bit quieter, and let's try this. Maybe we fix the big one on the way. Alright, God mode. Let's try both versions. Okay. Now we check. Snap has a damage bonus of 1 because it's usually damage 2. It has damage 3 now. What happens if I reroll? Ah. Okay. Okay, it does get remembered from last time. So what we want to do is when we apply the double bonus, no. Okay, how do we differentiate push from a reroll and push from a double from a new turn? Don't want to make 2 on push rolled. Okay, let's see where this is connected. Then go to push rolled. Doubles and does the double check know if it's a reroll or not? Ah! I don't think so. I don't think so, but let's find the culprit. Push rolled. If you're wondering, push is the German word for doubles. It's a specific word just for dice. Like a push is 2 dice that show the same result. Push rolled, emit. There we go. So, get push data. Then, let's say reroll. From reroll. Bool false. So we make it optional. And then we say emit from reroll, and we go in here and we add from reroll bool. All right. But now we also have to call the get push data from here. Call roll dice. From reroll bool false. And then get push data. No. From reroll. There. And now we have to find where call dice is called from. Yes. But somewhere on reroll rest, I think. Battle manager, dice roll manager, here. On reroll pressed, there we reroll up the row die. No. Because we don't call the roll die, we call the get push data. Damn it. So we don't need this on call roll die. So who calls get push data? Here. On reroll happen. There we go. So we say true, right? Because it has an optional from reroll. True. There we go. We need to rename this since we call this from outside. Not a private function anymore. So, and then it emits if it's from a reroll. So pass rolled connect. If I should explain anything more closely, let me know. There, get push data true and get data delete die. Delete die else if currently available die size is 0. I think this is also from reroll because we don't delete die, but that's okay. It just takes hashes away, I think. Now, hash rolled connect there. On push roll needs from reroll bool. There we go. And then we say if not from reroll, then we add this. Else we apply the bonus. Yeah. And then double tag satisfied also needs the from reroll bool. And yeah. Okay. Yes, we're gonna try. let's first try a reroll. All right, we have a double bonus. We have damage 3. Jump attack is 5 now, and now we reroll, which now reset the damage bonus. All right, God mode. Now we need another double from the immediate roll. Okay, this worked. We have damage 3, we have another reroll. Now let's try if we get another... Ah, that also works. That's hard to test though. Yeah, that's hard to test. Let's put your message box off so it happens faster. Double bonus, there we go. And now another bonus. Come on. Yes. Yes, it worked. So what happens if I do damage now? Oh, I have to turn off God mode or we will kill it. Okay, we still have a double bonus, which is good. But now what? Oh shit, I forgot to turn off the... Okay, but this worked. This worked, this is good. So... enhancement. That's what we have to test. Run currency does not reset after you give healing drops sneak attack. Yes, so great. So what we fixed. Reroll, no. Double bonus correctly applying to new turn and reroll doubles. Great. We fixed something else, didn't we? Didn't we? Oh well. Okay. Now what? Now, oh, what we actually wanted to try is the upgrade. Alright, where do we go? Oh, what's here? Reroll. Reroll. Jump attack. Let's get you captured. Okay, let's turn that down a little. Oh yeah, I know what I wanted to do. I want to disable this button until you have picked a reward. So let's do that, yeah? A victory screen. And we will say... fill victory screen. Bonus gold and on party, sticker gain, sticker gain. Yes, so... we want... choose reward. Choose a reward. So we will say here that M. Need to choose a reward. So we say, where does it add the cards? Anyone in party, caps label, match room, random card loader component, add random cards. Right. And the random loads it into the technique cards container. So we want to get that. So we can check if there are cards in there. On ready var technique cards container. Oop, what? Damn it. Technique cards container. There we go. And then we check here if technique cards container get children size larger 0, then next button disabled true, and next button text translate this. And then we want to check the event. There, card selected, on loot card selected. Then we say next. Oh, no, we need to match room. Wait, no, we want to match this again. Match room type. Then we say next. We don't connect this anymore. We don't connect this anymore. We have close, right? Close. We don't have close. That is close. Close. To upper. I want this to be spelled large. And then also the next button disabled false. And we also want this to be to upper and to upper. Let's see if that works. Because so many times I just accidentally hit next and didn't get my sweet reward. I'm sorry. Alright. Jump attack, bam. Alright, a steam dart, we have poison spores. Steam dart. I didn't check, but I think I saw it. I have to try again. Water or squirt? Let's go for squirt. Inventory, squirt. Nice. Party. Change leader. Dice bag. Water. Water. And let's heal you. Oh yes. Double bonus. We like that. Now give me a big number. Not a big number. Give me a yes. It's gonna be 12. Yes. Shall we capture it? I think we should. It's strong. Wait, what does it have? It has heavy hitter. Oh no. Attacks deal +1. Oh yeah, I think it's just stronger. Interesting. Yay, we got. Okay, now. Oh, I didn't export the text yet, so I can't find it, but that's correct. So choose reward. I can't do that until I press enkindle. And now Steam Dart. Oh, it has Steam Dart. Enkindle. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh no. Okay. That's bad. Need to write that down. Big one. Starting to learn a technique from FD, but then changing mind does not remove technique from list. That's bad, because now this is probably going to throw an error. Switch to you. Oh, no, it's fine because it just adds the first 4, I guess, anyway. Shouldn't you deal more damage? Here's heavy hitter. The attacks deal +1 damage. Apparently this does not work. Heavy hitter quirk not applying damage bonus. I'll check that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That was dumb. Alright. Singe. Oh god. Do I need to? Okay, at least we got the fire one. And we have a double bonus, that's good. Yes. Weakness exploited. So we take damage. And you get a... But you're still 6? Okay. Oh, dang. Okay, let's check if this resets the die. Yeah, correct. Ow.
Or is it just happening inside my head?
Of course it's happening inside your head. Why should that mean that it's not real?
Poop. Alright, that's got a shield on. Uh-oh. Alright, we can... I think we can defeat it. Even though with the mismatch, yes. We can't heal. Let's switch to Calbo. Can take a little more right now. Double bonus. Out and snap. Also, Div Dagger gets a damage bonus if it's... Oh my god. Oh, but good to see it works. Let's wait until we get a 4. Oh. But we can't switch because we can't afford it. But that's good too. Oh god. Not gonna survive this, are we? Yep. Okay, I guess now it's... we need a 3 or a 4. Yes! Come on. Damn it. It's just gonna do 12. We're fucked. Unless it does... Yep. Oh shit. Come on, do pout. Nope. Ah, damn it. So close. So close, man. Okay. So what do we fix? The technique thing. Okay, we have also attempt catch condition feature data parent. Parent not equal this is true. What? Catch handler 86. Overlay bind shot throw objects. Okay. If overlay screen container get children size larger 0. We don't have to do that. Okay. Then we want it on technique learn mode. We have technique learn mode. There. Technique learn mode. Technique learn mode. Load technique list. Technique load mode. And we press on, when is this called? On learn technique full. Yes. But somewhere we add the technique to an array, I think, as a child. Load technique list. Technique list. Technique. Forget this technique. Initialize button. Technique to learn, I think, is it called? Technique to learn. Ah. This is on I'm selected. And then where do we add the technique to learn? We are an inventory screen. Technique. Technique item used. Selection mode item. Print confuse. Okay. Unman selected. Selection mode technique
To the beach and maybe get a coffee after.
and skill mode is true. Game manager add technique to Animon. Selection mode technique. Technique. Select mode. But we load a skill list. Technique list. Here. Ah, I'm going in circles, friends. Where am I calling this? Load technique list. On technique full. Where do we call this? Learning techniques full. Connect. Oh, is it the... the technique editor? Okay. Add technique to Anemon. Okay, this handles it. So, we have a script that's called technique editor that takes care of teaching a technique to an Anemon, checking if it has 4 or more. So if it is size 4, right, it adds it. Well, that is a problem, isn't it? We don't want this as techniques. We want temp technique. But I don't want to have a temporary. Do I? It's probably safer. Because you can't learn more than one. So more temp technique to learn. Technique. And then we go back and we say not. We say technique to learn is technique duplicate. Correct, and then we find where this is connected. And then no, it's a technique list. Technique. Let's look for learn mode. Initialize skill learn mode. Just kind of look for, let's look for techniques 5? No, 4. No, that's not how we do it. Can learn. God. Where are we? Inventory screen. Technique list. Load technique list. For n in element techniques size, load this. But then we also need to add one more. Correct. Okay, we just do it manually. I don't think that's smart, but I don't know how else to do it right now. If anemone techniques to learn is not null, instantiate another button, add child button, my anemone. Shade button, anemone techniques. Technique to learn, and forget this technique. One technique, forget. But then we also have to, when you press on an anemone, on anemone selected, and it loads the skill menu. Think, brain, thank you. When we pick the anemone, if selection mode item and skill mode is false, then it is healed. So this healing item, but we are here. If selection mode technique and skill mode is true, we start neutral, and then we just go, okay, we go just to, where do we set the selected anemone? We don't have selected anemone. Okay. Then we just say for anemone in party, game manager, party, if anemone technique to learn null, anemone technique to learn. We set this to null, so we refresh. There is already permanent element declared in this scope. Oh yeah. Anem, sure. Okay, so we learn a technique. When we select an anemone to learn a new technique, we clear every anemone of a safe technique to learn. Because for those who joined, I had a bug where you can teach them a technique and then it lists, like if it has more than 4 techniques, like in Pokemon, it will ask you to remove one and it adds, you will see 5 techniques and you have to pick one to remove. But if you then not do that and go back to a different anemone, so 5 techniques remain, it does not get removed and it suddenly has 5 techniques. So I tried to fix that now. And the other one was the quirk heavy hitter. Output damage value. No? We say if my anemone null print air Heavy hitter, my Anemon is null. In return, otherwise, my Anemon Bony temp damage bonus? Damage bonus. Which one? When does temp damage bonus get reset? I think that gets reset each turn. Print error damage bonus of heavy hitter is 0. And then we want a function. Func undo quirk, which is equal. We don't have add damage bonus. We have we have add damage bonus. And remove damage bonus. Damage amount. Okay. This should now work. Now let's check if this has hitter. Huh? This should not be specific double rolled. Did this get scrambled? Damage technique used? Wait, why did... The order changed. Why did the order change? Ransa turns out damage technique used? No, it did not. Oh, I'm dumb. Fuck. I added those. Never add enums values in the middle because that shifts everything. That is bad. So let's go see if this damage technique used. No. Reroll. Damn it. Okay, quirks. Impact heal is on damage by enemy. This is correct. Quirk defensive is shield gain. This is correct. Fidgety is bench. This is also correct. Then fire test take type damage is also correct. Specific double grab and hold. That is wrong. That is on turn start, but this is also new. This is fine. Hydrophobia take type damage is correct. Instant shield damaged. Lucky on summon. Midnight wrath damage technique is incorrect. Reroll rebuke on reroll. Damage for enemy. Quick water soul take type damage. Hit with water. Yes. Water abundance summon. Okay, so these are correct. We just have to update the ones that aren't correct. So heavy hitter is on summoned. Impact heal is correct. Quirk defensive. Grab and hold is on Turn start. No, round start. Hydrophobia, take the instant shield. Lucky Midnight Wrath is specific double rolled. Rebuke, Scorching Body, Water Soul Abundance. Okay, so those are correct. Correct. Beautiful. Oh. I need to make the subtitles just a wee bit slimmer so they don't get hidden by my face. Okay, let's go. The chances that we get Narilla again are low, but maybe we're gonna fight it and then we can see. So let's go up here. It's a bit loud. Attack! Double bonus. So this is gonna deal 6. This is gonna kill it. So let's. Sure. Okay, we want healing drops. Heal. Get the soda bundle. Let's also fix this. Move party panel down in kiosk screen. There we go. Got the soda. Now we want a cheap ball. Works better as a helmet than actual ball. Starts battle with 4 shields. Nice. Ah! Your Titanics redeemed hydrate. I need to get my water bottle. Yes, very good call. I have forgot to drink water all morning, so thank you very much. Here I can also present you my beautiful soul bottle with little dogs on it. I love it. It's just the cutest. But yes, I mean it's not hard because a lot of people are just constantly dehydrated. Ah. Wonderful. Thank you so much. And welcome. Okay, what do we want to take? Do we want to take the sticker, which gives us... Oh wait, this is the rare one. This gives us 4 shields at the start of battle. Or do we want a plant attack or a fire attack? We don't have any others, so I'm gonna take the shields, I think. The one which looks cuter. Well, that's hard because I think the... Oh, that reminds me, those are still internet images, which I have to replace. So the bowl I made myself, but I forgot to replace FD image. This is the internet placeholder. This I made myself, so... I would say those look cuter. I think the flash drive has a cuter face than this angry bowl, so... I guess I have to listen to chat, right? So let's take Steam Dart. All right. We only have one Anemone. We can't teach them those because they don't have that type. So let's just hope we survive this one. Okay. Well, that was not good. Let's go all in with a jump attack. No! Jump attack has 50-50 crit chance. Ah, shoot. Non-existent function format in base. No. Is it because we haven't exported the thingy? Technique handler. 258. Where is it? 2. No, I started from Godot, which means I don't get the debug in here. Technique handler. What did it say? 258. 258. Here. It's a format. Ah. I guess it can't. I guess it can't call this when it can't find the string, which makes sense. So I guess we should export this. Export this, call it text, and throw it into our Godot folder. Localization, and here we go. Replace. Friends, okay. Boop, bop, beep, boop, boop. Let's try that again. Well, now all the cute thing, the cute thing that I picked for you is gone again. Thing. Oh no. What happened? It just minimized. Oh, random things are random. Okay, I mean, I can also play the music because it is quite nice. It's from Ben Burns and he shares it for everyone, Creative Commons 0, which is amazing, and the music's really good. It's really catchy. Just wait for the battle soundtrack. Where do we go? Do we go up treasure? Do we go... We will not have enough money for the shop. Not of the two fights. So how about we go this route? Bam! Do, 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 do. Oh, it was too fast. Wait, I exported you. Maybe I'll choose reward. LBL choose. Why are you not translating this? It's here. Weird. Well, oh, we can upgrade the jump attack. We can try that now, hopefully. Yes, S&M bar. And no music. Good thing we tested the sound. I think it's because the transition music got stuck in transition while starting no wild battle quickly. Yeah, I think it transitions the music and I'm just too fast and it gets stuck in between. So let's take a shield on our face and bam. Yeah, scorching body. No, don't bite me. Charlie bit me. Oh, my mouth sounds, aren't they impressive? All right, soul shield or vine whip. Soul shield. And now we want to go and pick fire dice because now we have a fire animon and Kalbu doesn't care. All right. Ooh, look, hotter flame. That could be something for our Asenamba. Increase that heat. Enemies take +1 damage from burning. And why is that text so hard to read? Fix hard to read text on shop cards. Okay, twig needle, hypnotize. No, let's take the hotter flame and check if our sticker album works. Yes, sticker album works. And now let's try to, because last time we had a bug that we increased the damage of a technique, but it didn't work. So let's see if this works now. It should be 5. It is not 5, but it might also not refresh correctly. Let's try it in a battle. How much money do we have? 22. That's not enough. But there's also a trainer. Well, that's enough for this. So inventory. Okay, learn soul field and heal you, and then we put you into the front. Let's see how that works. Okay. Now the thing is, now we could get 4 shields with soul shield, but we only have 2 slots, so that's not so great. What do we do then? What do we do? We can't reroll, so we switch to Kalbu, cause nope, the jump attack still doesn't upgrade. What does our debug say? I think we enemies per position, no. Go away. Don't give me those overlays. Can I turn those off? Priority roll. Opening fusion screen. Context menu. Calling load item list. Selecting shop. Nope. Fusion item used. Jump attack. Deleting item. Target position. Select mode. Selection mode is load item list. Fusion item used, FT jump attack. Upgrade mode is damage. Okay, upgrade mode is here. Is damage boost, so it should go to on damage boost. Ha! Okay, it goes into damage boost function, I think, but it did not print the increased damage. Ha. Opening fusion screen, select upgrade mode is damage boost. So does it go to here? To the other one? Selecting buff? No, I guess we have to figure it out. Still not working. This should be +1 now. That was not a critical hit. Do not like that. Don't love that. Uh-oh. Wait. Why are you colorless? You should be red. Game manager. Dice bag. Equip dice. Type 0 element 2. That's correct. And the other one? Hello? The other one is element 1. What is element 1? Colorless. Why are you colorless? Did I only change one? Did I change one? We'll see. Let's try that again. Shield. Snap. No. Uh-oh. Give me double bonus. No. Jump attack. Woo. Uh-oh. This can heal. I should use a healing item. Wait, we bought one. Did we? We bought one, right? You start with one. We should have had two. Ah, so many little bugs. Excuse you. Yes. The double bonus is real. Come on. You have 50% critical chance. Wait, oh no, that's from the bonus. Alright, come on. Come on. Shields. And in your face. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Water sphere. Froze. Because add message to queue. Non-existent function format in base. No. Oh, I see. Because the format should... Oh, because this is... Yeah, okay. Because I should call the format on the translated one. Okay, let us remember this. Here, let's make a screenshot. Yep, okay. Can we continue though? Yes, we can. Okay, we have damage bonus. Now we just need... Oh, we have another damage bonus. Let's go. We have another damage bonus. Alright, you are gonna be dead. But now we have another... Oh no, I hate this. I can't get this bug out. That it keeps... It somehow runs end of round, even though I ask if the Anemone had been defeated. And also, why does this not translate? It is in the... Anyway... we want fuse fire, I think. Okay, what do we have? We have fuse fire that we can teach to us in Ember, but you need to... Okay, let's see if that worked. Looks like it. Did we teach Soul Shield to you, or is that from what? Is that from before? Can't remember. Huh? Fuck. Guess I broke something with the teaching. So much stuff. All right, then we are gonna get the soda bundle, and then we just hope we. What do we have here? Oh yeah, the burning. When did I teach you Soul Shield? Do I really not remember that? Is it still the same run? Double bonus! That's also a bug. This animation gets triggered twice and I don't know why. If I swap now, yep, you don't get the damage bonus. Is that intentional? I don't think so. I think everyone should get the damage bonus. I think we need to add like a global damage bonus. Oh, why do we still have drowning? Oh god. He died from drowning. I don't think we're gonna do it. Oh fuck, I forgot about reroll rebuke. Damn. Okay. Then let's fix this little thing here. What? There. Because this is not translating, and this should be formatted, not here. There. Format. Hello. What is oh. There we go. Correct. Okay. Then we need a debug for the fusion screen because this is still not working. Fusion. On damage boost. Print. Damage boost for technique of type selected. Oh, technique, no, global enums, technique category, keys, because we want the name of it, not the integer. Selected, technique, type. Then at least we can find out what the code gets for a type, and if it does this. Print increase buff potency. So many annoying things. So many annoying things. So how do we test this? And also the push bonus. The push bonus should be a global bonus, I think. But where do we store a global bonus? Okay, and that's tweaking. It's fine. For now, the push bonus is applied to the anemone on the field. This is not a bug, that's intentional. We can just not like it, and I can change that later. But for now, what else of bugs do we have? Starting to learn techniques. Oh yeah. So learning the technique actually didn't work. So we want to go to the technique editor and emit. Technique 4 is gonna get emitted. Who connects to that signal? Inventory screen, correct. On learn technique 4. Selected mode technique anemone. Load technique list. And then we add this one, and then technique learn mode forget this technique on technique forget. Oh, but this button doesn't get a... This button doesn't get its techniques from the temp technique. So initialize button qualifier. Oh, but it takes technique to learn. On technique forget. Selection mode technique, anemone techniques, remove that. Selection mode technique. Well, selection mode techniques. Technique anemone. Ah. Techniques. Ah. I see. We are removing the... But we can't remove the technique. Oh, it's complicated. So we add the technique. Section what do we use? But how do we... But where do we actually teach the technique? Maybe we do do it as before and we just put the array back on. Just put it back on 4. On technique forget, but where do we teach the technique? We don't teach the technique, we just remove one. Okay, I think that might actually be smarter. Right? Because the new technique will always be the 5th one. Yeah. Okay, let's undo this. Damn. Anemone. I didn't like having that temp variable anyway. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back to the technique editor. And somewhere here should be there, technique to target anemone, techniques, append this. Technique to learn. And here we do it differently. So when we refresh the techniques, we go through each anemone and we say, if anem techniques size larger than 4, then while anem techniques size larger than 4, anem technique to remove is anem techniques pop back. Correct, that gives me the last one and removes and returns the last element of the array. And then we're gonna technique to remove Q3, because we did make a double of the technique, so we want to delete that again, right? And then it removes it from the array, so the array gets smaller. So the while loop breaks as soon as we reach 4 techniques, and then the techniques to learn should have. And then we don't need that anymore. See, this is all much cleaner. And that should work. But I don't know. Guess we'll find out. We just have to get a bunch of techniques. A bunch of techniques. Let's turn on God mode so we can try this. Soul beam, because that's what you can learn. Critical hit. Poke, you can also learn that, and it should already be enough, right? Okay, now you have 4. Let's close it again. But wait, let's see if that worked. No. Oh, yeah. Because we call this when we select a new anemone. Oh no, it gets stuck. In base resource technique. Then how do you queue free your resource? Can you not do that? Queue free on resource duplicate. Delete resource duplicate. Because we make a duplicate of it, and does it get deleted when it's not in the area anymore? Clearing duplicate resource from memory when done. Oh. You need to add child after you duplicate. But how do I remove? Learn poke. But you also know poke. Oh my god. Okay, so you can't queue free on resources. But oh, queue free on resource. You don't hold any reference anymore, they will be freed. Holding a reference is assigning it to a variable, so if you delete anything pointing to it, it's gone. Okay. So that means we just have to just remove it from the array. And we also have to do this inventory screen. We turn this into a function because we want to do this also on close. Remove what's the word for access techniques? There we go. And then we call this here. But also on close button pressed. How about we do that already? We do this here, so why? Let's await this to be sure that it's done before we move on. Oh wait. Okay, why? Nobody knows. Alright. God mode can get us through this. God mode. Oh no, you can't. Can't learn these. Boo, but you can learn this. No, you can't learn this because you already have that. Alright, we keep going, collecting some flash drives. Flash drives aren't really a 90s thing, are they? But DVDs are also taken by Pokemon. I mean, they don't call them DVDs. But I'm sure they will sue me if I teach techniques during using a DVD. Hyperventilate. Alright. Then let's try this. Inventory. So pout. You already have pout. Why is this possible? I thought you checked that. Ah. Race. Alright. It has brace. Now let's close it. Details. It does not have brace. That's good at least. So now we try brace by removing pout. That work? Alright, that worked. Let's try another one. Oh, but it doesn't remove brace. Or did we have it twice? Hyperventilate instead of jump attack. What? Things are not so clean here. Okay, we have hyperventilate. And did it get removed? No, it did not get removed. Why not? Do I have an arrow? No. So I can just keep... It does not get removed. Ugh, god damn it. FD teach techniques already known. FD not removed after use. Okay. Well, I'm gonna dig into the details of that and fix that after the lunch break. So I'm gonna walk the dragon now and have some breakfast and hopefully fix those annoying little things. But we did some good fixes, some bigger things that I was worried about, so that's good. Yeah, thank you everyone for joining. I hope you find it interesting. Follow the channel if you want to see more of silly me doing a Pokemon-like game until I get sued. I'm crying inside, but yeah, I'm gonna be careful. I hope. Yeah, I hope I can push the next patch on Friday. You can play the current build for free here. So check it out, leave feedback. I'm constantly only guessing what people want, so if you play it and have any bug reports or stuff that you find, there is itch.io or Discord where you can post that. Okay, I'm talking enough. So then, until then, stay hydrated, stay wonderful, and I'm gonna see you on the next stream. Zane out.